The food thief. In a forest, there lived a jackal. He stole food from a village nearby. The villagers were tired of looking for the thief but could not find him. One night, when the jackal went to steal food, he saw that the villagers were still looking for him. The jackal stole some food and waited for some time. Soon he saw a holy man coming his way. The jackal said to him, "Kind man, I am sick. Please carry me to the forest in your bag." The holy man agreed and carried the jackal in his bag. Before they could enter the forest, the jackal hid the food in the holy man's bag and slid out of it. As he slipped away into the darkness, he shouted, "The man with the bag is the food thief." The villagers mistook the holy man for a thief. One should never trust others blindly. The Hermits Advice. There was a poisonous snake in a forest. Whenever wicked people would make fun of him, he would bite them. One day, a hermit came to meditate in the forest. He asked the snake not to bite anyone. The snake was mesmerized by the hermit's supernatural powers and agreed. Some time later, the hermit left for another place. He said to the snake, "Remember what I have taught you and be good." Many months later, when the hermit returned to the tree, he saw that the snake was almost dead. "What happened to you, my child?" he asked. "Master, some wicked people threw stones at me. I stopped biting because you had said so. Now I am injured and weak," the snake replied. The hermit said, "I had asked you to stop biting, but there was no harm in scaring away the wicked people to protect yourself," said the hermit. The Donkey's Fall. A man was traveling by a cart which was being pulled by his donkey. They were riding on rough roads. Suddenly, the donkey broke free from the cart. He was so excited with his new found freedom that he ran without direction. His master called him back, but the donkey did not pay heed. Before the donkey knew it, he had reached the edge of a cliff. There was a steep valley below. The donkey was happily looking at the sky, unaware of the danger in front of him. He was just about to step forward when the master reached him and caught him by the tail. But the donkey struggled to break free. The master tried to save the donkey, but the donkey was adamant. So the master let go of the donkey, saying, "You want to be your own master? Go your own way." The donkey jumped into the valley. The Royal Cure. Once there was a king. Some of his elephants were wounded. So he sent a messenger to fetch the royal vet. It was a hot day, and on the way to the palace, the vet lay down under a tree. He had barely closed his eyes when a crow's droppings fell on his cheek. He was angry. "Silly birds, I will kill you all," he screamed. The royal vet reached the palace and told the king, "Your Majesty, the elephant's wounds will heal only if a medicine made of crow's fat is applied on them." The king ordered his men to kill all the crows. The king's soldiers had killed many crows when the chief of crows flew to the palace to plead for mercy. He told the king, "Your Majesty, please spare our lives. Crows do not have fat." The king realized the truth and punished the royal vet.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.